नमस्कार, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Me myself, Dr. Ramesh Chand Sharma, Associate Professor, Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Department of Homeopathic Science in JBWE. Today's our chapter is Identification, Part 2. Age. Age can be determined from teeth, ossification of bones, secondary sexual characteristics, and general development in case of children. Teeth. Teeth are useful for age determination. A. By the stage of development and B. By secondary changes. Temporary teeth. These are 20 in number. 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 molars in each jaw. In ill-nourished children and in rickets, dentitions may be delayed. In syphilis, dentitions appears premature or even present at birth. Erection of temporary teeth is for 2 to 2.5 years. The temporary teeth begin to fall at about the 6th or 7th year after the eruption of first permanent molar. In children, mixed dentition remains at 6 to 12 years of age. Age 9. In 12 permanent teeth, 8 incisors and 4 first molars plus deciduous molars and canines. In age 11, 20 permanent teeth, 8 incisors, 8 premolars and 4 molars. Age 14, in 28 permanent teeth and no deciduous teeth. Permanent teeth are 32 in number, 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars and 6 molars in each jaw. Developmentally, teeth are divided into two sets. First is superadded permanent teeth. These are those which do not have deciduous predecessors. It means all permanent molars, 6 in each row. Successional permanent teeth. These are those which erupt in place of deciduous teeth. Permanent premolars in place of deciduous molars, 10 in each row. Temporary teeth eruptions in months, total 20, and eruptions of permanent teeth in years, total 32. Gustafson's method. The age estimations of adult over 21 years, 9 between 25 to 60 years, depends on the physiological age changes in each of the dental tissues, such as attrition, parodontosis, secondary dentine, cementum apparition, root resorptions, transparency of the root, the most reliable criteria. Growth of individual bones. The bones of skeleton are performed in hyaline cartilage. The earliest center of the ossifications appear at the end of second month of the pregnancy. At the 11th intrauterine week, there are 806 centers of bone growth. At birth, about 450, while the adult skeleton has 206 bones. Tarsus and carpus bones ossify from a single center. Typically, a long bone such as tibia has become ossified throughout its shaft diaphysis at birth, whereas its two ends, epiphysis, are later ossified by secondary centers. The process of union of epiphysis and diaphysis is called fusion. In an individual's bone, once union has begun, it will be completed by 12 to 18 months. For determining the age, diagram of the shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knees, ankle, pelvis, and skull should be taken in anteroposterior position. Union of epiphysis in cartilaginous bones occurs slightly earlier by about 1 year in the female than in the male, but reverse is seen in the closures of the sutures of the skull. The symphysis pubis is probably the single best criterion for determining age from third to fifth decades. If male criterion is used for females, the age would be underestimating by about 10 years. Sternum. Four pieces of about of the sternum fuses with one another from below upward between 14 and 25 years. At about 14 years, the xiphoid unites with the body. The manubrium fuses with the body in old age. The greater cornu of the hyoid bone unites with the body between 14 to 16 years. Skull bones of Calvaria are 8 in number: parietal 2, frontal 1, temporal 2, occipital 1. Bones of the face and jaw are 14 in number: maxilla 2, zygomatic 2, nasal 2, lacrimal 2, palatine 2, inferior nasal concha 2, mandible 1, and vomer 1. Lateral and occipital frontalis usually close within the first 2 months. The anterior frontalis and the two halves of the mandible unit out at the second year. The basi-occipital fuses with the basis sphenoid at about 18 to 21 years. In the vault of the skull, closure of the sutures begins on the inner side 5 to 10 years earlier than on the outer side. Closure of all sutures indicates age more than 60 years. Sutures closures in skull occurs later in females than in males. Thank you.